What's up guys, thank you for checking out this video. My name is Kevin with NIA Design, and today we're going to be installing the new sleek line splitter on my own personal Lexus GS300t. Alright, so a little bit about the NIA rears. These are designed for the Lexus GS 4th generation, which means 2013 all the way to 2020. The advantage of using an ABS plastic to make these splitters is that it can actually hold its own weight. Unlike urethane and other materials, ABS will not warp with the heat. ABS is also sturdy but flexible enough to take hits on the road without cracking. With the purchase of the NIA rears, you're going to receive all your screws and some replacement clips. For this installation, we recommend a stubby screwdriver and an angle driver for a quick installation. Alright, first things first, you want to make sure everything's clean underneath, that there's no rocks or any debris stuck under here. So just get a nice clean rag and just wipe it all down. When installing the NIA splitter, always think safety first. If you're going to jack up your car, use jack stands for safety. In this case, the car is equipped with air ride suspension, and we're going to use an angle driver for installation. Alright guys, so after everything is nice and wiped, what you do is grab the 10mm socket, and you're going to locate the factory bolt that's right here on the corner. Alright, once you remove the bolt, you're going to locate a factory clip right next to the exhaust, just with your clip remover, or if you have a flathead screwdriver, just get in between and remove it like so. So the advantage of purchasing a real NIA splitter is that it already comes with the pre-drilled holes. If you notice, there's two different sizes. The big one is for your factory clip and bolt that we just released, and then the other ones are for your support screws. So step one, just grab the factory bolt and guide it through the pre-drilled hole and install it on your car. It's made out of thick ABS plastic, so it will not warp with the heat coming out from the exhaust. And the best part is that the pre-drilled holes uses your own factory bolts and replacement clips. If you notice on this little ear part, this hole is bigger than the rest, and that's because that's where your factory bolt goes. So just use the same one that you just removed and reinstall it, this time holding the rear in place. All right, so the same thing with the rear. You're gonna see this little ear here, and that one has a bigger hole than the rest. Use the clip that we provided to you and align it to the same hole that you just removed the factory clip from. Now, when you're inserting it, make sure that you hold the bumper, and there's a metal tab in there as well. And the clip should hold all three in place. So now we have the factory bolt and the clip holding this puppy up. Now is when we get the support screws, and just guide them through the pre-drilled holes and self-tap them into the bumper. And make sure you go only halfway. By going halfway, you don't overtime and strip your plastic bumper. All right, now that everything is in place, still kind of loose, this is when we start tying everything up, and start with the factory bolts. All right, now grab your stubby Phillips screwdriver and start hand tightening all the screws that you did halfway with the drill. And make sure not to over tighten, because if you over tighten, then you're gonna strip the plastic bumper. So just do it very carefully. All right guys, once all the screws are tight, do the same thing for the other side, and you're good to go. Thanks again for watching this video. Please check out our website for this and many other products that we have for the Lexus GS. And if you have any questions, just comment below and we'll get right back to you. Thanks again.